Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can blur a background in Affinity by Canva. So let's say I have this background and I want to add, let's say, my logo, and make sure to add a new layer. So let's add a new layer by just pasting this one, and let's say I will make this in the center. And to add a blur on background, what we'll need to do is the simple way is just selecting background, clicking on layer effects, then adding a Gaussian blur, and right here you can add blur like this. So let's say I want to add 20 pixels, and now I can just maximize that, and that's how you blur an image in Affinity by Canva. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.